After listening to 7 days of testimony, the man accused of killing Nicole VanderHeyden takes the stand.
George Burch testifying in Brown County Court today. NBC 26's Matt Jarko is live at the courthouse now with the latest. Matt.
John and Stacy, in these several days of testimony, George Burch has heard from dozens of people about what happened the night Nicole VanderHeyden was killed. Today, Burch got to share his side of the story. He says VanderHeyden's boyfriend, Doug Dietrich, knocked him out and ordered him to drive VanderHeyden's body into a field. Now again, this is all George Burch's side of the story. He says he and VanderHeyden met at a bar the night she was killed. He says the two then drove outside her home and started having sex. Burch says the next thing he remembers is waking up with Doug Dietrich pointing a gun at him and telling him what to do. Burch says Dietrich told him to put VanderHeyden's body in a car and get in. He says Dietrich then got in himself and told Burch to drive to a field area and carry Nicole's body out into that field.
George, did you murder Nicole VanderHeyden?
No, sir. Definitely not.
Do you know who did?
Doug Dietrich.
Burch then described getting out of that field, saying he lunged at Dietrich and got into his car and drove home. He says he then showered and went on a fishing trip the next day. That led into a very tense cross-examination from the district attorney, who questioned Burch on why he didn't call police or tell anybody about what happened, despite viewing dozens of news articles about VanderHeyden's death. The DA also tried to poke several holes in Burch's telling of the events. Closing arguments are expected tomorrow, and a verdict will come anytime after that. At the Brown County Courthouse, Matt Jarko, NBC 26.